Hello everyone. Today we start solar cooker in the chapter of solar energy. This is one of application of solar energy, and let me show before we start. Let me show the picture of solar cooker so you can able to visualize solar cooker. And I think this all picture you have seen in your school or in home or any other place, and you also study in your school. So these are the pictures of solar cooker. So solar cooker is a solar device which convert solar energy to heat energy, and this heat energy is utilized for cooking. A solar cooker utilizes the simple principle of reflection, concentration, absorption and greenhouse effect to convert solar energy to heat energy. The step that is involved in cooking process are concentrating, capturing and converting solar energy to heat energy. This solar cooking process is clean and green cooking technology. Today we discuss box type solar cooker, which is most common, inexpensive and simple type of solar cooker. It is widely used in domestic purpose and it utilizes the greenhouse effect. It is most popular and simplest in construction. The temperature we can reach up to 140 or 140 to 150 degrees Celsius temperature. This advantage of slow and even cooking of large quantity of food. Now we start construction and the parts of solar cooker. You can see the construction figure and the parts of solar cooker in this slide. Solar cooker consists of an insulated metal box or wooden box which is painted all black color from inside, and there is a glass sheet cover over the box, and there is plain mirror reflector is also attached to the box. The food to be cooked is put in this metal container which are painted black from outer side. This metal container are placed inside the solar cooker box and it is covered with a glass sheet. The sun rays fall on the reflector and get reflected into box through upper glass and get trapped within it. Now these are the parts of solar cooker. First, the outer box, which is made from wooden or metal sheet. Next is inner box. It is also made up from metal sheet, and mostly it is painted with black color so it can absorb more and more and heat energy. Next is insulation. The space between outer box and inner box is filled with insulation material like glass wool, thermocouple, so it can prevent loss of heat from inside to outer side. So it can prevent the loss of heat energy from the cooker. Next is glass lid. It is double glass to prevent radiation loss from the cooker, and it also permits solar rays to enter the cooker and also protect the inner container of the solar cooker. The most important is mirror. It reflects all solar rays to inner space of box of container. It is also provided outer metal sheet to open or close the cooker, so it is also covering the solar cooker in case of and the next is cooking container. They are kept in inner space of box and made up from aluminium. They are painted with black color on outer surface so it can absorb more and more heat energy. The food stuff that we want to cook, it is kept in this container. In short, the main parts of solar cookers are one box with inner layer and outer layer, and in between this insulation is filled to prevent heat loss. Next is glass cover, which prevent the radiation losses from cooker and maintain greenhouse effect in the solar cooker. Next is mirror, which reflect all solar rays on the container. And last one and final element which absorb heat energy from all this reflector, that is solar that is container, which absorb the solar energy and cook the food. Let me see how it works. The food that we want to cook is placed in the container. The solar cooker box has a transparent cover over it that we have discussed in the construction parts. Now the solar cooker is placed in sunlight and the mirror is adjusted in such a way that the beam radiation of sunlight fall on this mirror and reflected back to the inner box of solar cooker. So all the solar radiation fall on this reflector. It is reflected back and enter into the inner box of solar cooker. The blackened surface of box, that is from inner surface, is absorb all solar radiation from the sunlight and produce heat. So there is a rising in temperature of blackened surface around 100 to 140 degrees Celsius temperature. Now the heat is absorbed by the surface of container, and next the food absorb heat from this black surface and it get cooked. The purpose of this glass sheet is to prevent heat loss from inner surface, from inner box, and maintain or utilize it to rising the temperature of the solar container. It will take around 2 to 3 hours to food to get cooked, but it is also depend on the weather. But the normally it will take 2 to 3 hours to now we list out advantages and disadvantages of solar cooker. First we discuss advantage of solar cooker. First, it is very eco-friendly, green and clean cooking process. It reduces the carbon emission. It save cooking gas and electricity. This is all about the advantage that we all know about it. Now the disadvantages are, it is not efficient in cloudy weathers. It has a very limited use and take longer time with respect to cooking gas. It is only used in domestic purpose but not in commercial purpose. So this is all about solar cooker. Thank you. Now you are able to explain the construction and working of solar cooker.